वेलकम फ्रेंड्स। सोशल साइंस के ये एमसीक्यूज आपकी तैयारी का लेवल बता देंगे। प्रैक्टिस कीजिए और कमेंट में सोशल साइंस लिखिए ताकि आपको और भी एमसीक्यूज दे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, एंट्री फॉर नॉर्मल लॉस इज रिकॉर्डेड इन द A balance sheet, B profit and loss account, C trading account, D none of the above. Answer is C trading account. Normal loss occurs during production or handling of goods and is treated as a part of cost of goods sold. Hence, it is recorded in trading account. Question number 2. New capital issue is placed in the A secondary market, B primary market, C black market, D none of the above. Answer is A primary market. New securities or shares are issued for the first time in the primary market. Question number 3, which article of the Constitution provides Parliament the power to amend the Constitution? A 376, B 368, C 370, D 390. Answer is B 368. Article 368 of Indian Constitution gives Parliament the authority to amend the Constitution. So you have to remember Article 368. Question number 4. Who is generally acknowledged as the pioneer of local self-government in modern India? A. Ripon, B. Mayo, C. Answer is A. Ripon. Lord Ripon is known as the father of local self-government in India because of his 1882 resolution on local self-government. Question number 5. Where was the Arya Samaj set up for the first time in 1875? A. Amritsar, B. Lahore, C. Bombay. Answer is C. Bombay. Swami Dayanand Saraswati founded Arya Samaj in Bombay, 1875. Question number 6. Alauddin Khilji captured the Delhi throne after securing fabulous wealth from A. Chanderi, B. Gujarat, C. Devagiri, D. Madurai. Answer is C. Devagiri. Alauddin Khilji gained immense wealth from the raid on Devagiri, which helped him to capture Delhi throne. Question number 7. The tropical grassland is called prairie, savanna, D. None of the above. Answer is C. Savanna. The tropical grasslands, commonly known as savannas, mainly found in Africa. So, African grassland is known as savanna. Question number 8. Which is the largest river in peninsular India and is often called the Dakshin Ganga? A. Godavari, B. Kaveri, C. Narmada, D. Mahanadi. Answer is A. Godavari. Godavari is the largest river system in peninsular India and often called Dakshin Ganga. Question number 9. Ibrahim Lodi was associated with A. Sher Shah, B. Babur, C. Akbar, D. Jahangir. Answer is B. Babur. Ibrahim Lodi was defeated by Babur in First Battle of Panipat in 1526. Question number 10. Malik Kafur was the general of which Sultan? A. Babur, B. Alauddin Khilji, C. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, D. Firoz Shah. Answer is B. Alauddin Khilji. Malik Kafur was the famous military commander of Allah. Question number 11. Indian subcontinent was originally a part of Jurassic land, B. Angara land, C. Aryavarth, D. Gondwana land. Answer is D. Gondwana land. According to geographical theory, geological theory, India was once a part of southern supercontinent Gondwana land. Question number 12. Suez Canal links Mediterranean Sea with the A. Atlantic Ocean, B. Pacific Ocean, C. North Sea, D. Red Sea. Answer is D. Red Sea. The Suez Canal connects Mediterranean Sea on to the Red Sea. Karl Marx's book Das Kapital was published in 1873, B. 1869, C. 1867, D. 1872. Answer is C. 1867. The first volume of Das Kapital was published in 1817. Who propounded the market law? A. Adam Smith, B. J.B. Sayce, C. T.R. Malthusji, none of the above. Answer is B. J.B. Sayce law of market state supply creates its own demand. Question number 15. The doctrine of lapse was introduced by A. Lord William Bentinck, B. Lord Ripon, D. Lord Curzon. Answer is B. Lord Dalhousie introduced the doctrine of lapse to annex princely states. In question number 16, in economics, the term utility and usefulness have A. Same meaning, B. Different meaning, C. Opposite meaning, D. None of the above. Answer is B. Different meaning. Utility means capacity to satisfy wants, while the usefulness refers to the practical benefit. Question number 17. Who among the following was the first women governor of a state in Free India? Mrs. Sarojini Naidu, Mrs. Sucheta Kripalani, Mrs. Indira Gandhi, D. Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Answer is A. Mrs. Sarojini Naidu, who was the first governor of in Free India. So that's all for today. Thank you.